Hi, AdWords in Hindi की latest video series Need to Know में आपका स्वागत है. In this video, we'll learn about campaign setup and settings. To create a new campaign, please log into your AdWords account and click on the plus campaign button. Here you can choose the campaign you would like to create. Let's start with a search campaign. Start filling in the details in the campaign settings page. The campaign name here is for your reference only and is not visible to users who see the ad. Also, if you're new to AdWords, you can start by creating a standard campaign. Else, you should select all features since this gives you more control over your campaign settings such as advanced location options. Choose the locations where you would like to target your ads. You can search for the country, city, state or locality here and click on Add. Choose a bid strategy for your campaign. There are two main bid strategies, manual and automated. If you're new to AdWords, I'd suggest a manual CPC bid, which means you can control individual keyword level bids and you set the maximum amount you want to pay for a single ad click, also known as your CPC, cost per click. You could also choose to start with an automated strategy like maximize clicks, in which the system will automatically modify your bids to get you the most clicks. You can add extensions and an ad schedule to your campaign even after this stage. So for now, let's click on Save and Continue. We'll now start creating our ad group, which will be the basic container for our ads and keywords. Give your ad group a name. You can create ads here if you wish to and add keywords in this section. You can also do these later, so for now, we'll just save and continue. Congratulations, you've just created the structure for your campaign. In order to pause this campaign, please click on the green button here and choose Pause. Clicking on Remove will permanently remove your campaign data and it cannot be recovered, though it will still be available for viewing. If you would like to edit any of the settings you chose in this campaign, click on the campaign, click on the Settings tab, and you can scroll down and change whichever field you would like to from here. You can post your questions in the comment section below. To know more, refer to the links mentioned in the description. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more such content.